welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 17th to the 21st of March 2025 on Monday. Utsipost begins to notice Mappitsi's unusual behavior while Thomas becomes increasingly open about his feelings. Melita's bold attempt to secure a better deal with Kwezi Beauty ends in a disaster on Tuesday. TAF Hospital deals with a challenging patient who is experiencing a mental breakdown. Luwatle's loyalty is put to test. Pretty demonstrate that she's no pushover on Wednesday. Kwezi and Joy's argument escalate into a physical altercation. Charles beckles with his conscience on how to support someone who helped him in a time of need on Thursday. Poshoko returned to TAF, but he picks the wrong place at the worst possible time. Melita is forced to work with Fefo on Friday. Poshoko goes from being missing to wanted. Pretty backs Kwezi into a corner. Pax gets the shock of his life when he steps into a certain room. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.